The first thing people notice? How good your boat looks. And dare we say it, that's kind of the whole point. For 2026, MasterCraft makes it even easier to leave everyone looking twice. Our styling and customization options give your boat depth, personality, and yes, make you look cooler than everyone else out there. New gel coat colors from Sierra Dune and Solstice Yellow to Sapphire Flake and Granite Flake let you dial in a look that's unmistakably yours. Bold or subtle, classic or head-turning. Inside, the vibes keep going. Textured, performance-ready options like Balmore or Cool Feel upholstery and a wide palette of colors let you customize the entire interior. And for 2026, a rich new shade called Canyon adds depth and warmth, giving the cockpit a tone that feels intentional, refined, and entirely fresh. And then there's the towers. At one point, they really only served this function, but now they're another way to define the boat's personality. And for 2026, they're even more seamlessly integrated into the boat's overall design. The Z6 tower comes standard in all silver, but is now available powder-coated in black, flint gray, or white. Step up to the Z8, Z9, or Z100, and the customization multiplies. 7 powder-coated colors across all 3, colored inlays and color-matched board racks on the Z8, and on the Z9 and Z100, options for the premium rigid bimini and exclusive sound pods. Each element is designed to work together, giving the boat a cohesive presence that feels deliberate, confident, and fully integrated. Lighting too is about more than visibility. Standard RGB accents throughout the cockpit and underwater let you set the mood however you like. Subtle, striking, or somewhere in between. The effect complements your design choices, enhances the contours and textures you've selected, and makes every detail look even more premium. 2026 MasterCraft styling isn't about options for the sake of options. It's about giving you control, letting every choice, from color and material to tower and lighting, add up to a boat that looks intentional, feels premium, and stands apart. Every surface, every angle, every element works together to reflect the person behind the helm. And if anyone's paying attention, they'll notice, because it's impossible not to.